Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to dim flashing lights on your iPhone. Do flashing lights on your iPhone bother you? Whether they're annoying, distracting, or even triggering health issues like photosensitivity or migraines, you might want to dim them automatically. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to enable this feature. So let's get started. First, on your iPhone, open the settings and go to the accessibility. Now, click on the motion and turn on the dim flashing lights. Once this setting is enabled, your iPhone will automatically dim videos that contain frequent flashing or strobing lights. Now, this reduces eye strain, especially at night, make videos more comfortable to watch, minimize the risk of triggering light sensitivity issues, and that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.